Okay, I stand corrected. I was right. The train before this one was train 13, so this was train number 14. It was train number 14, so this is train number 15. I'm pretty sure of it. This is train number 15 right here. I've checked. So this is train number 15. Yes! These horns are loud in Folkston. This is indeed train number 15. Rolling up. Yeah. Loving Folkston today. Loving Folkston. I'm just gonna number the trains. When they do on YouTube, I'm just gonna number them by train number, about how many I saw on that day. Folkston is a huge train town. And I'm literally the only one here at the platform right now. For the past 3 trains, I've been the only one here. Definitely there to be here. Swift. Just loving trains and folks. Just loving them. Here's the ending of train number 15. I have confirmed. This is train number 15. I have confirmed that. So that is train number 15. Sorry for all the confusion if you're getting confused, because I got a little confused with the trains because I've been seeing so many. But there goes that train into the day. And I'll see you when the next one comes by. Bye for now.